Yes.
We can see
Visible.
the screen.
This is visible, yeah.
Yeah, give me. Great. So we'll have a quick recap of yesterday's session on a basics, how exactly we started with the and or not, then double quotes as well, brackets, and then we'll slowly advance to some of the advanced operators, something like related colon, in URL colon, in title colon, in text, and then asterisk. So there are a couple of examples which I've mentioned over here. Otherwise, we can always explore some new or a different examples as well. Then we'll go with a difference between people also search for. Yesterday we explored what is people also search for. Again, we'll do the same activity. We'll go with the difference between people also search for, and then related colon, any website you just take it. Here, for an example, I just gave a LinkedIn.com. Similarly, we can check with some various websites also. And then I'll also let you know what are the benefits of it. In case if you have any doubt, as I mentioned always, please unmute yourself and ask instead of pinging in the chat, which I might miss to take a look at it. But otherwise, it would be always great if you can unmute yourself and ask. And going forward, the Zoom link, which remains same, and as we're working on a free version of a Zoom, so every 40 minutes it gets disconnected. So once it gets disconnected, you may have to join using same meeting ID and a password, or maybe a same link. I'll just take a pause. Any questions, any doubts, any confusion over here? So I'll take silence as a no doubts or no confusion as an assumption, but otherwise, please unmute yourself and ask. Okay. So yeah, going to and or not, as I mentioned, so what does operator and do? It includes all the keywords. What does or do? It includes any one keyword. So similarly, I'll just go over here. So let's say if I search for quantum computers, quantum. So these are two different words. For Google, space itself is and, wherein if you're searching on LinkedIn or if you're searching on some of the paid portal, here I'll just take an example of LinkedIn.com, which is a free version of a LinkedIn. But yes, a Boolean syntax for free version of a LinkedIn and LinkedIn Recruiter remains same. So same examples you may try on Naukri, Monster, or Indeed, or any of the paid portals or any of the job portals. So let's say if I say in Google, if I'm searching for quantum space computer, the space itself is and for Google. Now, if you see every result has a quantum, and that's a Google algorithm. It's taking like computers, whatever the synonym of the computers, it's taking that particular word also like computing and all, and it's giving. So here in a couple of examples, number of examples, we have quantum computers as it is. So now if you see here, here we have a quantum, again in title, we have a quantum computing. Here we have a quantum computers. So what I'm trying to emphasize is over here is, though we have not given within the quotes, but still it's giving a quantum computing. The reason because there are a number of results available on Google related to that. That's only the reason it's giving. But otherwise, if I have to search the same thing in LinkedIn, I would add quantum and computers. So unlike LinkedIn do not have that algorithm to understand computers as a computing or computational and all. It just understands as a computer. So that's reason it's giving us a result who has mentioned quantum computers as it is, or now here is a quantum computer might be somewhere else. Something like this, quantum computers or something like this, quantum, and computers over here. Computers over here, quantum over here. So this is giving us a combination of a list of results which has both the words quantum and computer, but not necessarily quantum and computer are together. So it's just giving us both the results which has both the keywords. So that is nothing but operator AND is doing. What AND is doing, it's including in our search results, it's including both the keywords quantum and computer anywhere in the page. It could be in the title, it could be in the complete page, or it could be anywhere in the page, and not necessarily it is as it is. But to make this as it is, now in Google, if you see, there are a number of results. That's a Google algorithm. It's understanding computers as a computing, computational. That's reason everywhere we could see quantum computers. Now, similarly, if I want quantum computers, or supercomputers. Okay, now we have given double quotes, quantum computers or supercomputers. This would give, and thumb rule of a double quotes, and thumb rule of when we are using or, whenever we are using or any of the keywords. So we are asking Google to give us a list of results which includes either quantum computers or supercomputer. That's where in Google I'm either using or basically a Google understand pipe as a or. That is nothing but on your keypad shift and the button above the enter. That is nothing but standing line. So I'm saying now quantum computers or supercomputers. So now this is giving us the results of quantum computing. So there are number of results. Okay, over here, quantum computers and supercomputers, both the keywords appearing. But otherwise, if you see the list of results, it has increased to some millions. And as we give within the double quotes, that's where it's understanding now computers as a one particular term. It's not taking as a computing or anything. It's directly understanding quantum computers as a one particular term. Now, if you see every result, it do not have a quantum computing or anything, but it does have a quantum computers as it is. But if I remove this thing and keep a star or just keep like this, then it would take the synonyms of computers. But otherwise, every result has a quantum computers or supercomputers. Similarly, if I want to search on any of the paid tools, I'll just come to LinkedIn. Instead of pipe, I'll use or. So now this is giving us a list of results who has supercomputers or quantum computers. So if you see, there are a number of people who has mentioned supercomputers as it is. These are all supercomputers. Let me go to some further pages. Quantum computers as it is. Quantum computing, let's see in this case. Here supercomputers. I would be opening the profiles only which are not giving us a right set of result and try understanding are there a right set of results what we're trying to search for. So now in this profile, we did not see in the title either a quantum computer or supercomputer, though we have seen quantum computing, but it's supposed to take quantum computers or supercomputers. Quantum computing, quantum NLP, quantum. Let me see. Super.
Ashiv, I just saw quantum computer appearing somewhere.
It's there somewhere.
It's there.
Definitely it would be there. It's just that we're not able to find it.
Shiv, is the recording going on?
Yeah, it's going on.
Shiv, you can press Control F and find it on the page. It will come.
Let's see. I'll use multi-highlighter, one of the tool. I'll just take this and go here. So take a note of this multi-highlighter also. It will highlight all the keywords, whatever you mention here on the entire web page.
On which tab it comes? How? I mean, I never use. I mean, I don't know how does it come. Highlight words below.
Okay, quantum computers is here, I believe. Quantum computing. Here it is, quantum computer.
Yeah, it's coming here. Yeah.
Okay, so you'll have to go to apps from here, then go to web store.
Shiv, this is a Chrome extension, right?
Yeah, it's a Chrome extension, multi-highlighter.
Multi-highlighter. All right. Thank you. Yeah.
Shiva, one quick question here. How is this multi-highlighter different from Control F? What we use?
Control F is something always we need to do Control F and put that particular word. Okay, so manually, Control F is nothing but the manual way of highlighting that particular keyword. One keyword again, wherein if I use multi-highlighter, number of keywords can be highlighted. Let's say if I'm searching for Java or Python or C++.
The yellow patches you will be able to easily read out through on the highlighting.
Yeah, exactly.
Control F just talks about numerics 1 to 15.
Now let's say if I'm using, instead of multi-highlighter, if I'm doing Control F and I'm doing quantum, okay, then one by one I'm going. Okay, where? So entire page I'm seeing, and only one word, quantum, COM, computing. Here we have it, but otherwise, if I need some other word, quantum or super. Now, if you see, only it is taking a series of quantum along with super. Okay, so only one it is showing, SU when I say, but when I enter SUPER, now it's gone. But wherein in the multi-highlighter, in fact, I can mention all the keywords which wanted to be highlighted, and it takes it one by one and highlights everything. So in the entire page, if you see, all the 3 words are getting highlighted. Control F, in Control F functionality, I just need to keep on entering one by one. So that's more of a manual process. But wherein this is really a good tool if you're screening a number of profiles on web, maybe a LinkedIn profile or a Naukri profiles or Monster profiles or Indeed, any of the web profiles, definitely I would suggest to use this multi-highlighter. You'll have a super express screening.
So this multi-highlighter needs to be installed.
Yeah. You go to the Chrome store, web store, then type multi-highlighter. You have a number of multi-highlighters. This is the recent one added. Mine is kind of an old version of it, some years back, and I never uninstalled it. So I love this tool.
So its name is Highlighty. This is what we should install.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you can search for multi-highlight, multi-highlighty, or anything like that, related keywords. So yeah, coming back to the point. So what OR operator is doing, it's giving us either a first term or second term. But when I go with quantum computers, so if you see, if with both the terms, as a thumb rule, whenever we use OR, we are using a bracket. So if I use quantum computers or supercomputer, we got 4,600 results. But wherein instead of OR, now we'll use AND. So now this gives us the results which has a quantum computers and a supercomputers, both the keywords. And that's where we see 4,600 has become only 8 results and across the globe. So that is what AND is doing. AND is doing nothing but it's including all the keywords, what are the keywords we are mentioning in the combination of, or is doing, it includes any of the keyword, whatever we mentioned. So when we are using AND on Google, we are just making a space. No and is required because space itself is understood by Google as a and. Okay, now it gives us the results, all the results, which includes quantum computers and supercomputers. So if you see this URL also, it's taking quantum computers plus supercomputers. And when I say within the quotes, it's taking that particular term as it is. So every result has both the keywords, quantum computers and supercomputers, both. Okay, I'll just take a pause. Any questions on and or?
Hi, Shiv, I have a question out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so while we are giving keywords in Google, so we don't have to use brackets or something like that?
Brackets, thumb rule is whenever we use or, that is where we are using bracket. Though it could be a Google, or though it could be a LinkedIn, or though it could be a Naukri or any of the portal. If I'm using or supercomputers, quantum computers or supercomputer, as per the thumb rule, I'll just go with the brackets.
Got it. Yeah. Thank you.
Here also. Okay, so maybe in little advanced example, we'll be able to understand. These examples are very short, so that's reason we might not have a concrete example to show. But yes, as we proceed further, examples keeps getting larger and larger, and that's where we will realize the importance of using bracket whenever we are using or.
Shiv, I have a question regarding this search engine. Like we are using this for Google. What about the other search engines like Yahoo or Bing? So is that the same, or will that be, I mean, something changes on that?
For Bing, most of the operators remain same, but there are a couple of very few operators. There are some advanced operators like around, which goes with A5 and all. We'll cover that in later sessions. Very few operators which remains different, but otherwise in Bing also, most of the operators remain same.
Shiv, I have a question.
And
Which
Yahoo, I never
extension
tried it. Yeah, please.
Yeah, which extension have you used? Sorry, I missed out on to that part. So which extension have you used to highlight these words?
That is multi-highlighter. You just search for multi-highlight.
Okay. Cool.
HIGH. Just search for multi-highlight. You have number of extensions. Okay, use any one of them. For me, this one is working out. Now it is gone. Maybe you can use the updated version of it. This one, Highlightly. All right. So any further questions on and or and bracket as well, double quotes?
No.
Okay, we might get disconnected in next 10 minutes. As I mentioned, we are working on a free version of Zoom, so we'll have to reconnect again. But yeah, let's continue till wherever we can. Yeah.
Hi, Shiv, I have a question now here. So, Shiv, I would like to know that, is this a mandate, or, do you have any rule like, after giving a keyword, we should give some space and put those brackets, or we can directly, close the bracket?
Whenever we use or, only that time we are using a brackets.
Okay. Okay. So
as I mentioned,
now yeah. Sorry to interrupt. Go on.
Yeah, please.
So usually, if we are using and operator as well. So if we are differentiating something, so after closing brackets, if we are starting again, search with and XYZ. So we use these brackets, right? Open and close brackets.
Let me give a better example on this. Let me just come back on this.
Yeah.
Right away itself. Give me a second.
Yeah, please.
So what is the use case of a bracket? Whenever we use or to get the
ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ.
Okay, now coming back to your question. So here we use quantum computers or supercomputer. Let me just go back to yesterday's example. Account manager and leads. Okay, so this is one example: account manager, all sales manager and leads. Okay, similarly, instead of using or over here, so in this example, this is giving us a results. Who has mentioned account manager or sales manager and leads? So any of the title, if you see, has an account manager or sales manager, and maybe what we say in the profile will have a additional keywords like generating a leads or anything like that. So these are very, very basics, and that's reason we'll have to emphasize a lot on these basics things, because once our basic fundamentals are good, and that is where we'll be able to generate as long as booleans possible. Something like one of a lengthier boolean which I pinged yesterday, which starts with the 3 brackets. So that's the reason I'm emphasizing more and more on understanding the importance of these brackets, double quotes, or and. So now if you see, every result has a word account manager or sales manager, along with leads might be there somewhere there in the profile. Let's open up 2 or 3 results and just see. And that's where somewhere we had some millions of results, but now it has become 4,01,000.
Yeah, Shiv, sorry to interrupt you. I think I have not framed my question correctly. So I'm talking about the Boolean string that you have written. So my question is that if you can go to the first page, like where you have given Boolean string in the search.
Here?
No, the second one. I'm talking about the LinkedIn one, not Google. Yeah.
Here?
So, yeah. So my question is that, like after account manager, so do we should use a space before writing, or we should there is no point of writing?
Got it. So whether we should use this space or not, you're asking,
space
right?
or not? Yes.
Exactly.
And
no.
the same with and as well.
Exactly, got it. So no. Now what happens
is
if
different?
I'm not giving a space? Okay. If I'm not giving a space, and if I'm keeping this in a double quotes, this entire term is understood as a single term.
Okay. Got
when I'm using it in the double quotes, this entire term is understood as a single term. Let's say without space, if I'm giving, okay, so it's giving the same set of results. And let's say I'll come here. I'll open 2 LinkedIns. As a thumb rule, maybe in LinkedIn it's taking, but wherein if you use in a Naukri monster, it would not take.
Okay.
So that space is definitely required whenever we are using between or and. Definitely that space is required unless we want to break that limitation. So there's a limit breaking thing is also there. I'll tell you. Let's say now we use account manager or sales manager, and this space also we would remove. Okay, so this has given us only one result. Let's understand how does that has understood. So the algorithm has messed up. So we have less than 2 minutes and we'll get disconnected. Please join using the same login details. Okay, so when we use this one, why it is showing only one result? Let me just click on people. It's still showing same, only one result. So basically, it's trying to understand something, but it's not understanding as it has to be understood. Like if you see this URL part also. So this is still trying to understand account manager or sales manager and leads. It's still trying to understand, but actually it's not understanding it correctly. But as soon as we just go and give these spaces, and that's where we got 4 lakh results. But let's say I'm not using space around or, but I'm using space around and. This will still give me the same results. I'll use in a new LinkedIn. Okay. So same 4,01,000, same 4,01,000 with space or without space around or, and that is only the use case of LinkedIn. But if you generally use this, if you do not use this space in Naukri, Monster or Indeed, actually that search would not go through. In case if it go through also, what it will try to understand is try to show the results as an account manager or sales manager within the course as a one particular term. If someone would have returned in their profile as it is as an account manager or sales manager as it is, only those results will come in case if you are not using a space. Once we give a space, that is where those portals will correctly understand, okay, fine, this person this recruiter needs either an account manager or a sales manager along with person who has mentioned the leads in their profile. And that is where the spaces are important whenever we are using it around or around and. Even in the Google also. So though in Google, I might not use this space around or. So that will go through, but when I'm using it around and, it would not go through. So without space, okay, just